a wire set for 6 pieces. This one is the USB antenna. This one is the 4G antenna. This one is the R4A4G SIM slot cable. This one is Bluetooth rear view antenna. This one is GPS antenna. CAN bus. This wire harness is power cable. This one is power cable too. This one is original USB adapter cable. This central control screen navigation is especially designed for Toyota Venza 2022 to 2026 model. It features a 12.3-inch display with a resolution of 2400 x 896, powered by an 8-core UIS 7870 processor paired with 8GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. This is the front side of the central control screen. This is the rear side of the central control screen. This true one is the mounting brass keys. How to switch to the USB interface. Easily tap this icon and you can switch the interface directly. There are 3 buttons on the control screen trim panel. This is adjust the value up. This is adjust the value down. And this button. How to switch to the USB interface. Tap this icon and you can switch the interface directly. How to drag the cup to change its position and enlarge the cup size. Tap the 3-dot button and you can change the position directly. And also you can see on the side is a button here. You can enlarge the cup. You can enlarge the cup to original size twice. And also all the content can be replaced. You can change it into the app you want, whatever you like is okay. Swipe down the green and you can enter the draw-down menu here. Here you can see the screensaver is very beautiful. And also you can adjust the brightness and the value here. And this is the night mode for you. How to change the of the original car interface. Don't press the menu and you can see that setting here. You can choose one you like and back, and you have successfully changed. And look at the starter bar here. Don't press any icon and you can customize the starter bar into whatever you like. Tap the menu and you can see there are so many different kind of app here. And you can look at the first one setting here. The first one is the wireless network. You can connect your Wi-Fi. And the second one is GPS info. And general factory with the password 3368. And then enter, you can see different kind of function here. And this one is the wire setting and the protocol setting and display. Here you can adjust the backlight brightness of the day and the night, and also tilting for you. Here you can adjust some missing scale. This is the app and storage. You can see how many free storage you had, locations and password. Here, system. You can change the language into whatever you like. By absent language into French, and tap here one more time and you can change the language successfully. Look at the vehicle setting, and this one is tree, history, bass, amplifier, TV amps, and setup. Tap the video player, and you can see the video here. And also tap this icon into small window mode, and you can watch the video in this way. Tap the equalizer. This one is a DTS, and equalizer into the style you want. And this is the surround sound and stereo sound enhancement, reverberation, bass boost, sound filtering. Look at the Play Store. here there are so many different kinds of games for you to download and also different kind of app for you. And you can also search for the app you want here, and the internet will here for you. Let's see the YouTube here, and you can listen different kind of music and see the video here, and also you can watch the short video here. Look at the map. Here you can search for the destination you want, and also restaurant and see and direction here. Look at the media, and this is the music player, and also this is the playlist for you, and also this can choose the private next song and the private song. This is the postcard, FM and AM2 option. This one is the online postcard, and this is the playlist. Try the calling, and then you can see so many different kind of app in your phone here, and you can see the setting, and you can change the wallpaper here into the color you like. And then let's have a look. This is the map and the music player here to the next song and the private song, wherever you like.